we are going to learn about the nature of roots. Now, what are roots? Now, roots are the solutions to a function. So, for example, if we had the function f of x equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1, and we wrote it in the factorized function as x plus 1, x plus 1, and then combined it like x squared, x plus 1 squared, then the root of this function would be x equal to minus 1 if the function was assumed to be 0. Now, the nature of roots depends on the formula b squared minus 4ac, and this is applicable only for quadratic functions. So b here represents the 2, the coefficient of x, a represents here the coefficient of x squared, and c represents the coefficient of the constant. So for example, if b squared minus 4ac is lesser than 0, then the root is said to be imaginary. If b squared minus 4ac turns out to be 0, more than 0, then the roots are said to be real and distinct. Whereas if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are said to be real and equal. Thank you. I hope that makes it clear.